All right, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good morning, guys. Okay, so it all depends on when you are coming across to this YouTube channel. We are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys all um that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, and NICO. All right, we also help you guys to gain admission. Okay, so and if you watch this video from the beginning of this video to the very last side of this video, I am going to give you a bonus for this video. All right, if you watch this video from beginning to the very last side, I'm definitely going to give you a bonus. So I will share the tricks that can help you, something that will help you while you're in school, and the way you can be able to gain admission, that is this year, if you don't want to write Jamb by 2025. All right, so if you check out our topic of today, you'll find out that we have Obafemi Awolowo University. So I know that some persons will be like, what is he going to talk about Obafemi Awolowo University? All right, so we know ever since Jamb finished, they are just concluded the UTME examination. Some persons has come to ask me the next thing after Jamb UTME examination. Why some came to ask me when post UTME form will be released. All right. So for the people that asked about the next thing after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing that awaits you after Jamb UTME examination is post UTME examination. So it's aptitude test. It is an examination that is conducted by your school of choice or your institution of choice. All right, so that is the people that conduct the examination. That simply means that after this concluded examination, you will have to wait for Jamb as a board to sit for their and decide their policy meeting and decide their cutoff mark for 2024 UTME admission processes. So after then, some schools all almost not almost half of the Nigerian institutions will want to commence post UTME, though it varies on the school's academic calendar. So some will want to start at that very point, some will want to shift to subsequent months ahead. So post UTME will commence and you will purchase your post UTME form. Then you will have to go to your institution. You will wait for the day of the examination. The examination is compulsory. You have to write the examination. All right. So now yes, you have to wait for the and write for the examination. The examination is compulsory. So if it's a school that is not writing post UTME, what they will definitely do is that they will screen you. You will have to register. It's not as if you, at the end of the day, you feel reluctant because your school is not writing post UTME and you feel reluctant. No, you definitely need to register the examination. You need to register and have the acknowledgement slip with you. All right. So then at the end of the school on their own will screen you with your Jamb score and your O-level results, right? So they will use your O-level results to screen you and with your Jamb score to determine if you are eligible to gain admission in their school or if you are qualified. All right, so that's it. Okay, so at the end of the day, wait for the admission list. So what you will do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't actually know where you'll be getting some of those information, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing content, YouTube will notify you. But I promise you guys I'll be uploading on daily basis. All right, so I'll be dropping updates on daily basis. Once your school update is out, boom, I'll drop it there for you guys. All right, so now let me tell you the bonus tips, the bonus of what I promised to share for you. All right, so one of the bonus is that we have a WhatsApp community for our 2024 UTME candidates, registered 2024 UTME candidates. All right, so you yourself, you can become one of our member. So what you will just do, just to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us, you want to become one of our member. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. You message me on WhatsApp after getting to know you, then I'll add you on the WhatsApp. So now in the WhatsApp community, you have, if you're a WAEC candidate, you have access to WAEC questions and answers free of charge. You have access to NECO questions and answers also free of charge. Then you have access to your school's post-UTME past questions updated free of charge. Okay, the timetable for the exams, you have it free of charge. All right, so now at the end of the day, we will still have learning center there in our WhatsApp, so where you can learn and prepare yourself ahead of the exam free of charge. Okay, so now lastly, next year 2025 we are going to launch a program that will help our candidates, right? A program that will help our candidate to benefit because we know that while you're in school, you will be finding it very difficult to have some cash with you. All right, so we want to open a program that will help you be generating some cash for you on daily basis that you can use to finance your school and help you do other things there also when you are in school, right? Because the journey is very, very hard. Okay, so we want to make things easier for you. All right, so that's basically what we do. So if that's exactly what you want, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have anything that you want me to do for you, also let me know in the comment section. I won't hesitate to do that for you. And if you have you want to join us, also let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, I love you guys, so wait here until I see you guys again. Don't forget I love and cherish each and every member of us right here. All right, until I see you guys in my next content again, I love you, keep winning.